what's up with pop, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. That's why my hair looks like this. Okay, let's get it started. You'll need bobby pins, hair ties, a brush, an edge brush, water in a spray bottle, Mary's Edge wax or your favorite edges stuff, some hair polisher, that's the coconut gel, and Gorilla Snot. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to put the last one on. It's like it's all in your parting skills and I say the size of your head and how much hair you have. Because for me, I have more hair on my right side than on my left side. So yeah, this is how it looks for the front. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to twist this. I'm going to twist these. Okay, so I just twisted my hair up. And then now I'm going to take, you know, this. This is so cute, y'all. I love this hair polish. Somebody put me on this hair polish. I forget who it was, but I love it. Okay, but anywho, y'all. So I'm going to put the same thing, the hair polisher, the Gorilla Snot, on this here.
Okay, I need some more. I need more to slick down the sides. I'm going to need some on the back of my hair as well. So I'm taking about this much. I'm putting that at the back of my head.
I need me a nice high ponytail. And then I'm going to take my hair ties. I'm going to have to like make this bun smaller and I'll pin this down. Okay, so this is pinned down. You know what? This the same ponytail I got in my closet. This is just a fresh one. Dang. Here's the phony pony. There's a comb in the back and then a comb in the front. Swing the ponytail over your head. Put the comb in the front. Adjust it inside of your hair. Then adjust the back comb inside of your hair. Pull the string. And then there's a black piece that you pull up while you're pulling the string. You wrap it around your head. And then you take a bobby pin. Go ahead and pin that down. And that's pretty much the style. Okay. And now I'm just going to add more edge control to make it look more sleek and sophisticated. Do you enjoy affirmations or coloring books? Get aligned by the design. Affirmations for creatives and entrepreneurial spirits, created by me, available on Amazon. Link in the description to purchase. One last thing, ladies. I need you guys to subscribe to a new channel that I'm going to be starting in 2020. And it's called Emiliana Designs, where I will be showing you guys how I created my coloring book, how I create coloring pages, Procreate tutorials, tech videos, and decor. All things freaking design. I love it. Make sure you guys go subscribe over there. The link will be in the description for that. And we're going to start these videos in 2020. Alright, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's super quick hairstyle. I probably did it in 15 to 20 minutes. Okay? I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. It's your girl, Sincerely Yana.